Sheriff 174, we need to make a priority evacuation now, Mark West Springs area.
Copy that. We're trying to get the fire department to handle it.
Mark West is nearly impassable at this point.
You're broken down and tired of living life on the merry-go-round, and you can't find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out. Move mountains, we gon' walk it out and move mountains.
We're often taught that in a time of disaster or when something is going horribly wrong in the world, that people turn on each other and that resources become scarce. But the truth is that when something goes wrong in the community, we turn towards each other. We do not turn away.
I believe a significant part of what this organization is to give the community who's lost so much hope that they in fact are going to return to where they were before this, and in fact perhaps hope to the point that they feel, guess what, we'll even be better when it's over. I mean, that to me, that's kind of the crux. I know that's a kind of a simple statement, but it's at the end of the day, if we can connect all the different stakeholders here through our involvement, and all of a sudden the community says, you know what, I think I can make it through this. To me, that's a significant part of why this organization is what it's doing.
Mountains, bring it to his feet. Move mountains, and I'll rise up. I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up. I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again.
Freedmen's became involved in the RiseUp Project because we saw the opportunity to really help a lot of people. So 2 communities, Larkfield Estates and Mark West Estates, being affected by the fires. How can we help as many people as possible?
You know, this project could not have come together to support this community without the leadership of Rebuild NorthBay, along with Habitat for Humanity, Freedmen's Brothers, the county, Sonoma Clean Power funding it, and everybody saying, what do we do? And then an entity like Rebuild NorthBay saying, we're gonna bring this together and connect the dots, and we're gonna support this community in its rebuild. It is inspiring, and I am so excited to be a part of it.
The day I'll rise up, in spite of the ache, I will rise 1,000 times again, and we'll